Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing Digital. Today I am excited to share the SEO growth result we achieved for cancer in Ayurveda over the past month. During this reporting, our team focused on strengthening the site organic visibility. We have successfully posted 13 blogs articles and optimized 10 existing blogs to improve search performance and user engagement. In addition, we implemented structured data enhancement, local SEO improvement, brand citation, contextual backlinks, Quora submission, Reddit submission, and ongoing authority bidding. Here we can see our SERP keywords ranking. So you can see in the previous month, our all keywords was ranking in 18 positioning, 19 positioning, 12 positioning, etc. And we can see in the current month, our most of the keywords are ranking in the first page in the top position. We can see our most of the keywords are ranking in the ChatGPT. So if anyone searching our brand related queries or our service related queries in the ChatGPT, and they can see our brand ranking in the ChatGPT. So we have attached some screenshot of ChatGPT, and here we can see we have attached manage screenshot from ChatGPT ranking. Total impression increased to over 31.8 thousand, while clicks grew to 639. We can see our top queries list from Google Search Console, and here we can see our most of the keywords are ranking in Google Search Console queries, and also we have received on the clicks and impression on our queries, and also we have received CTR and position. So after that we can see our most of the pages are ranking in the top pages in GSC. After that we can see our Google Analytics report, and here we can see our active users 982 and our engaged session 497, our event count 5.5k and our new users 956. And here we can see one thing, all metrics are improved, and here we can see our pages views are also improved from previous month compared with current month, and we can see our active users are also improved, and our view per active users are also improved, and engagement, average engagement time per active users is also improved, and event count is also improved. You can see user acquisition from Google Analytics, and here we can see our total users 546, our new users 526, our returning users 72, average engagement time per active user 1 minute 36 seconds, engaged session per active users 0.63, and event count all event 2887. One thing, all metrics are improved compared with previous month. After that we can see our unique pages are also improved compared to previous month. Our unique keywords is also improved compared to previous month. Our impressions is also improved. Our clicks and CTR, all metrics are improved from compared to previous month. After that we can see our top 3 keywords number of 71, our top 10 keywords number of 633, our Google My Profile Business Insights, and here we can see in the last month we have received 52 profile infection on our GMB profile, and we have received 51 transaction on our GMB profile. After that we can see overall referring domains. Our total referring domain count is 265. This is data taken from SEMrush. And after that, here we can see Our total backlink count is 33.6k, and this data is also taken from SEMrush. After that, this task we have prepared for next month, and you can see the task as for next month: meta alt optimization for all 30 pages, H1 tag optimization, image alt text optimization, FAQ schema, internal linking optimization, CTR meta optimization, advanced schema, technical check, final on-page SEO fixes, blog posting, citation. Means we can see we have prepared most important task for upcoming month. Thank you for your time.